You can make the lock screen clock bigger on Android, but the exact steps depend on what type of Android phone you're using. On Samsung phones like mine, you can tap and hold the lock screen, which will first unlock your phone, and then lets you edit the lock screen elements. I can tap the clock and then pull from the corners to resize it. You can also drag the clock to a different position on your screen. Although you're sort of limited to the top half of your screen, can't put it all the way down. You can also change the font and the color, and some of the fonts allow you to change the thickness as well. Under the style options, you have different options for the visual look of your time and date. These all basically display the same information, just in a different way. You'll have some analog clocks, calendar views, or just different setups of date and time. Now, if you're on a Google Pixel or running standard Android, the options are a bit simpler, but there's one thing that confuses almost everyone. To find it, head to Settings, Wallpaper and Style, and tap on Lock Screen. Under clock size, you'll see two choices, dynamic and small. Small keeps the clock tucked in the top left corner permanently, while dynamic lets it grow to fill the whole screen. But here is the pro tip you need to know. If you choose dynamic and your clock suddenly shrinks, it's not a bug. It's because you have a notification. On stock Android, the clock automatically gets small to make room for your alerts. As of right now, if you want that massive clock to stay big even when you have messages waiting, there actually isn't a way to force it on standard Android. It's just the way the system is designed to stay organized. And that's how you change the clock size. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.